Hi, friends. Diabetes is one of the common diseases in the world. Diabetes is a disease when your blood glucose, known as blood sugar level, is high. Number 10. Choose better carbohydrates. It's important to know which food has carbohydrates. Choose healthier foods that consist of carbohydrates and be observant of how much you are eating. Some healthy and nutritious foods that contain carbohydrates are whole grains like brown rice, buckwheat and whole oats, fruits, vegetables, pulses such as chickpeas, beans and lentils, dairy like unsweetened yogurt and milk without sugar. Simultaneously, while you're eating, it is also very important and advisable to avoid foods which contain little to no fiber, such as white rice, white bread and processed cereal. If you are not certain, check food labels. Number 9. Eat little to no salt. Battling diabetes involves eating healthy food and abstaining from junk food. And so, eating salt can increase your risk of high blood pressure, which also increases your risk of heart diseases. And when you have diabetes, you are already at risk and a victim to these diseases. Make an effort to restrict yourself to no more than 6 grams, 1 teaspoonful, of salt daily. Lots of pre-packed foods contain salt, so be sure to check the label and choose the one with the least salt in it. You can also improvise and switch foods with salt to different varieties of herbs and spices to add that fresh flavor. Number 8. Eat less red and refined meat. If you're refraining from carbohydrates, you might begin to devour more meat to fill the absence of the carbohydrates. However, it is not a good idea to do this with red and processed meat, like ham, bacon, sausages, beef and lamb. They are all connected with all sorts of heart problems and cancers. Eat beans, peas and lentils, which are high in fiber, and don't affect your blood glucose levels too much, causing them to be great substitutes for red meat. Number 7. Go with healthier fats. All humans require fats because they give us extra energy. But different types of fats affect our health in different ways. Foods like unsalted nuts, seeds, avocados, oily fish, olive oil and sunflower oil contain healthy fats. Several saturated fats escalate the cholesterol in your blood, increasing the danger of heart problems. They are mainly found in red and processed meat, ghee, butter, lard, biscuits, cakes, pies and pastries. It is a great idea to use oils as little as possible, so try to grill, steam or bake your food instead. Number 6. Eat more fruits and vegetables. All of us know that fruits and vegetables are the healthiest foods in the world. It is always a good thing to eat them as snacks, or better enough, have them for meal times. This helps you get all the minerals, vitamins and fibers your body needs every day to keep fit. Fruits do contain sugar, but it's natural sugar and this does not cause diabetes. Whole fruit is good for everyone, even diabetic people. Natural sugar is different than added sugar, which is in things like chocolates and cakes. It's best to eat fruit throughout the day rather than a big portion once a day. Natural sugar is different than added sugar, which are in things like chocolates and cakes. It's best to eat fruit throughout the day, rather than a big portion once a day. Number 5. Eat healthy food. Eating healthy food, for many people, may seem like a chore, but ask any doctor, and he'll drone on about how simple the whole concept is, but often people fail to follow this. Eating a well-balanced diet doesn't mean that one can't enjoy various foods. It just means reducing meals that are overburdened with fat, cholesterol, sugar and the like. Eating 3 meals a day, each spaced out evenly, will not have instant changes, but will generally put a patient on the right track. Number 4. Get regular exercise. Another simple practice, but one which requires a strong will. Even jogging for a few kilometers can be a good starting point, leading to people developing a good lifestyle. Doctors have declared exercise as important as medicine, and people can adopt cycling or running as passions and hobbies. Exercise helps in burning calories, causing weight loss and leading to less risk of diabetic-related strokes. Exercise has been proven by studies to have long-lasting good effect. If one maintains a daily routine, with people getting better sleep, better resistance to illness, as the immune system has been made strong, and generally leads to less depression and stress among patients. Implementation of exercises in routines leads to people being more healthy than when they discovered they were diabetic. Number 3. Take medicines. People dislike medicine. Bitter though it might be, it is vital in preventing diabetes from overwhelming the patient. There are a lot of medicines that patients use all around the world with hit or miss factors, but there are many that have been proven to be reliable in treatments. Medicines might not cure diabetes permanently, but patients have been known to go into long remissions from a combination of medicines and self-care. Number 2. Test blood sugar. Keeping a good lifestyle means checking blood sugar regularly. Checking on one's blood sugar means that changes can be made if the sugar is beyond the normal range, if the doctor should lower the medication amount, and can increase the chances of emergencies being avoided. It can allow patients to observe from statistics if the practices they have adopted are good or bad for them. If one wants to be freed from diabetes, it can also help them realize their treatment goals and how much time it would take for them to be free, if even for a little bit. Number 1. Reduce stress. Stress is rooted in all bad decisions one makes, and it can make you forget important things, some of which may be harmful for your health. Stress can make a person forget to take his pills, even though it might be a daily dosage. Stress eating can cause high spikes in cholesterol and sugar, both bad for diabetic patients. Increase in stress increases the need for fat and sugar, which is due to a fight-or-flight response, causing regretted decision-making. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you never miss our videos on positivity. Thanks for watching the video.